So guys, welcome back to class. Today we are going to talk about the anatomy, the anatomy, anatomy of shoe shoe lash. So when we talk about the anatomy of shoe lash, it is a very simple thing. What it means is that um, this is a shoe lash. Let me talk about shoe lash first. This is a shoe lash, and then when we talk about the anatomy of shoe lash, that means shoe lash has different parts. As you are seeing it now, it has different parts. So anatomy of shoe lash simply means the parts of the shoe, or the branches, or the side of the shoe, the part of the shoe. Let's just put it like that. So we have the cap toe. From here to here is called the cap toe of the lash. Why this middle? It is called the vamp. The vamp. Why do I call it the vamp? And also this middle. Let me write it down. You have the cap toe. You have the vamp. You have the throat line or top line. We have the quarter side. We have the feather edge, and we have the bottom of the lash, and we have the heel side of the lash. So I'm going to talk about this one by one. So let's talk about the cap toe. When you want to identify the cap toe started from the front of the lash. It's called cap toe. So you know our toe, the toe of the leg or of the foot is located here. So from here to here, it's called the cap toe. From here to here, from here to this middle, from here, it is called the vamp. We call it the vamp. Yes, the vamp. We call it from here to here. I repeat again, from here to here, it is called the vamp. You get it? So, and we have the instep. Sorry, I didn't put that. Instep. We have the instep. This is the instep. This area is the instep. This area is what? Is the instep. And we have the back eye too. Back side or back eyes. Okay, let's call this the counter. Sorry. Counter. I'll call this counter. So talk about the instep. This is the instep. From here to here is the instep. And the throat line. The throat line is here. This is the throat line or the top line. This side is called the top line or the throat line. And the quarter line, this side is called the quarter line. This is the quarter line. From here, this side is called the quarter line. This side is called the quarter line. And then the feather edge. The feather edge. These are the feather edge. This is what we call the feather edge. What do I call it? Yeah, we call it the feather edge. And then the bottom. This is the bottom of the lash. This is the bottom of the lash. And then the inside, from here to here, is the inside of the lash. Which one I've not talked about. So the counter is the back of the lash. The back of the lash here. Just like when you want to fix a back stay, what we call the counter. While this side is the back side of the lash. While this place is called what? The back side of the lash. I hope you are able to learn something today.